We have agreed with federations that it is very clear, it is very key that we work together on matters governance issues that will also strengthen mechanisms of accountability. Mechanisms of accountability will also help us to see who we can work with in the private sector to develop sports in our country.
The ministry is willing to work with the federations to be able to access private funding, which we know no one person is able to take care of all sporting federation needs. So that partnership is very important.